Yep. Looks like you did some work. All right. Good job. Your official first oil change, a little Rubio. Woohoo! All right, here. Slide that washer. Slip it right down. Yeah, just come this way. I don't want the not away from the plate. Right on. Okay. So that's going to go on the bottom here. Actually, you know what we need to do, Steph, first? Look down there, you're going to see oil coming down, okay? Now, what we're going to do, come down here, I'll show you. What we want to do is lubricate. See this in here? We're going to put some oil on there, alright? There's a contact there, it's lubricated. We also want to fill. The oil's got to go from all the way there to here, with it being empty. I don't want oil on it. So what we want to do is, what I like to do is put a little oil in here, so we have some oil over there. It just helps, with the use on the motor, in my opinion. At least that's what they tell me. So what I do first, if you want to take your finger and dab in there, go right around the rim. All right, go ahead, right around the rub. Yep. Don't worry about, put a good amount on there. Don't put too much. Okay, do that. Now I can pour a little bit in there. So to help it transfer. Yeah, rubio, and just kind of soak it in there a little bit like that here. Alright, now the trick is get this thing like that. You just want to get it snug. Because you're only going to do about a turn and a half once it's snug, once it catches. About right there. And you're only going to do about a full turn and a half. Alright, that's all you need. So it's tight enough. Okay, so I'll do that and then we'll put the oil in there. Cool. Alright. Next, we're going to put 4 of these. That's one right in there. That's just slow. So I'm just going to back up and make sure it's off a little bit. Just keep the cloth on it and just stick it in the wood somewhere over here. Let it drain into the cloth, and I'll take care of that after. Yeah, just clean it over. Now, do you have another cloth on you?
No, but I can get one.
Yeah, I'll grab it for you. Alright. Yeah, wipe. Let me just wipe around here. Nice and clean. Cool. Alright, where's the dipstick? Dipstick. Alright, yep. Swipe that down, make sure the end of that's nice and clean. The gasket's nice and clean. Make sure my feet are clean.
They're not.
Oh man, don't tell anybody. Yeah, put that up. Nice and snug. And when you screw it all the way down, just unscrew it and let's do a dipstick check. Just to make sure. Just make sure we have oil on there. It's always a good start. How's it? Yeah, perfect. Okay, cool. Alright. Now what we have to do is do the check. We have the bolts all tightened up. We got the filter is on, tightened up. This is tightened up. Okay, so we're going to start them up and see what we got.